On today's episode, we're going to be talking about upgrading your seat from that crusty old seat to a memory foam pad. I want to talk to you guys about some of the lessons learned. Lesson learned number 1, get a styrofoam cutter. So getting a styrofoam cutter is definitely going to help you out, especially when it comes down to making some more complex cuts other than just straight lines. Lesson learned number 2, stick to simple shapes. Sticking to simple shapes is going to make your life a lot easier. So simple shapes are probably going to be a lot easier if you haven't done this a lot of times. Obviously, with more experience, you're going to be able to get into those complex figures and still end with a really good product. That being said, I don't have a lot of experience. This is actually the very first time I've ever done this, and I still ended up with a product that I'm not going to be embarrassed to have on my motorcycles. Lesson number 3. Make sure to staple everything down, all the edges, staple all of them down before you start cutting fabric off. 4th lesson learned, take your time. Don't rush through it. Make the appropriate measurements and make everything as simple as you possibly can. And obviously, if you have more experience, go ahead, take the challenge if you want to take on a more complex shape that's going to utilize as much of that memory foam as you possibly can so you have a more comfortable seat. Alright, so here is the finished product. And again, this is not necessarily something that's going to win you a car show, motorcycle show, or anything like that. But it is nicer than the seat that used to be on there. And I'm assuming it's going to be more comfortable given that it does have that memory foam padding with the cooling gel. That's yet to be determined. I need to ride it to verify that. But if it's not more comfortable, at least it'll be just as bad as the other one. I know some of you are going to comment on the fact that I used suede versus vinyl, but I don't ride in the rain, so to me it doesn't matter. But if that's a concern to you, all you have to do is use either vinyl or leather.